this one thing you did. And maybe I just can't believe it.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Drknlvely, aka Robin, and welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time seeing the mug, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and click that subscribe button, become part of the Dark Knight Squad. All right, today's video is just gonna be a hairstyle. That's it. Like nothing behind it. I want to share more hairstyles with you guys. This hairstyle can be done on short locks, medium locks, long locks. I feel like this hairstyle is versatile. It's not really anything intricate in regards to my specific hair length. So always, foremost, we're gonna moisturize the hair because we're manipulating the hair. Now that my hair is moisturized and I picked the side in which I want my part to be on, I will show you guys what you will need. And honestly, it's not that much. You'll just need some hair ties. These are the ones I use. You can check them out. They look like this. Yeah, I get them off of Amazon. You can check my Amazon store for that. And then some plain old, just regular black rubber bands. These kinds. Yeah, these kind of. Just watch me put it together. So this is a hairstyle in itself, okay? See, I mean, you could make it look a little bit more neater than me right here, but I'm gonna cover this up. But if you wanted to, you could make that like a little bun. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this hair, okay? We're gonna put it up, okay? So we're gonna make it a pony, okay? I don't know if you guys can see like that, okay? So I got one side, so now I'm gonna do it to the other. Okay, I'm gonna take all the hair that's loose and then we're just gonna pull it up, okay? I feel like there's some, yeah, here we go. I'm like, I feel like there's some locks that are, okay. So then we're gonna make sure this is as taut, not tight, as taut as possible. Okay, we're gonna get all the locks. Baby, what are you doing? Okay. Okay. Because I didn't bring enough satin. Okay. I feel like there's some still like out. Whatever, but so So if you guys like this hairstyle, don't forget to click that like button, comment down below if there's any other suggested styles you would like me to try, and also don't forget to subscribe to your girl channel. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.